दर्शन कर लिया। ये सर्वांतर्यामी भगवान जानते हैं। लक्ष्मी के हृदय में जो अपनी पवित्रता पवित्रता और उनके स्वभाव आदि के द्वारा ही कृष्णता है। भगवान के संभव नहीं ये तपस्या छोड़ दो। किंतु लक्ष्मी जी कहेंगे नहीं, मुझे तो वहाँ के
Hare Krishna. So Lakshmi was saying that no, 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 I need to enter into your Ras Leela just like the gopis. So at the time Krishna said, so if you want to enter in our Ras Leela, so there are some rules and regulations. So first you have to take the birth in the Gopi bomb into the Braj. If you agree with that, then we will proceed. So Lakshmi Devi said like this. So Krishna said like this. So Lakshmi Devi said, no, no, I don't agree with that. I am the queen. I am the Raj Rani. So how can I get the birth in a Gopi bomb? It's not possible for me. So this is the ego of Brahmani. So Lakshmi, what kind of Lakshmi Devi have ego that is called Brahmani Abhiman. Krishna said, look, if it is not possible for you, so it's not just that you have to take the Gopi bomb birth. After that you have to marry with the Gop. So you have to get married with a Gop too. So Lakshmi said, no, it's not possible for me. So how can I leave my husband Narayan and I can get married with another one? It's not possible for me. So I'm the chess lady. I cannot leave my husband Narayan and I get married with another person. It's not possible for me. How it can be possible? So Krishna said, not only this, you have to potna padega. You have to do cow dung paddy, cow dung pad. Yes. So you have to put on the wall cow dung spank. You know, kanda. It's not. So Lakshmi said, no, 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 it's not possible for me. I am the Raj Rani, the queen of the queen, and many maid servants are walking here and there with me. So how can I be like this, like a village girl? So how can I do this all things into the Braj? It's not possible for me, and I have to wear the gopi dress. Oh my God, not possible for me. So one by one the Krishna given the conditions. So Lakshmi again and again said, no, it's not possible for me, not possible for me. And then what you have to do? You have to meet with me in the Parkya Bhav, means and you have to do the association of Nitya Gopis like Radha and other Gopis. So you have to take the shelter of that Gopis. So under the guidance of Radha and other Gopis, you have to take shelter of them and you have to serve me. No, it's Lakshmi said, no, no, it's not possible for me. I cannot do this. Getting the birth in the Gopi womb and get getting the getting married with the Gop, and then under the guidance of Radha and other Gopis, and having affair after that with you. Oh no, it's not possible for me. Then Krishna said, if you cannot do this, so that it's not possible for you to enter into the Ras Leela. But still, Lakshmi is doing austerity in Belvan. You have heard. So Bhagwan said, okay, I am accepting you as a just golden line on my chest. That's why on the chest of Bhagwan, Lakshmi Devi is situated there in a just like a golden line. So that is called. So there are two signs of on the chest of Bhagwan. One is the footprints of Bhragu when he kicked him on the chest. So there is a sign also is there, and the golden line of Lakshmi Ji. And Lakshmi Devi is herself situated on his chest in the line of golden line, in the form of golden line.
लक्ष्मी की देवी के प्रधान एक क्या था, ये रास में प्रवेश करने के उनके एक ही था, लक्ष्मी देह में ही वो प्रवेश करना चाहती.
So Lakshmi Devi was just wanted to enter into the Ras Leela in the form of Lakshmi.
शरीर में ही
She would like to enter into the Ras Leela in the Lakshmi form only,
आ गया और किसी के अंगत करी
and she doesn't want to take anybody's shelters.
दोनों विलास के मन में
So these kinds of two desires she had in her mind.
इसलिए कहते हैं
That's why
लक्ष्मी चाहे रास में प्रवेश थे लक्ष्मी देवी
that's why it is saying Lakshmi wanted to enter into the Ras Leela in the body of Lakshmi only.
मैं कृष्ण के गोपी में रास लीला में प्रवेश करना चाहता
So Lakshmi said like this, I want to enter into the Ras Leela of Krishna with the gopis, but it's not possible for her. That's why it is saying,
हूं. निश्चय भावे भजिलो ना पाए ब्रजे भजन करनंदन. ऐश्वर्य रूप में कोई भगवान के भजन करे
if somebody is performing the bhajan of Bhagwan with Aishwarya forms, so,
और कृष्ण की भी एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य है.
and there is a speciality of Krishna too.
कृष्ण कहते हैं आमी गोप जाति
Aishwarya रूप में भजन करे तो उसका क्या?
नंदनंदन कृष्ण की प्राप्ति
Oh, so he cannot get the Krishna. If somebody is worshipping in the Aishwarya form, so he cannot get the Krishna.
और कृष्ण में विशेष एक वैशिष्ट्य
And there is a speciality in Krishna.
वो क्या है
What is that?
बता दे.
I told you. Do you remember?
कृष्ण कहे आमी गोप जाति
Krishna said, I am the Gop
गोपी बिना अन्य ना कहे
Svikar, Angikar. So I am the Gop Jati. I will not accept anybody without the gopis.
गोप जाति.
I am the Gop form. So I will always accept the gopi creeds only, the gopi caste.
हैं? जाके में पूरा रास्ते में थोड़ी क्या वो तो द्वारका में है ना मथुरा में क्या है वो तो मथुराधीश कृष्ण
He is the Mathura Krishna.
वो तो द्वारकाधीश कृष्ण है नंदनंदन कृष्ण थोड़ी है.
Brajen Nandan ki baat ho rahi hai. Here we are talking about the Brajen Nandan. So he is the Dwarkadish Krishna.
अभी जो सिखा दिया
So Kubja was accepted by the Krishna. Who was that Krishna? That was Dwarka. He was Mathuradish Krishna. He was.
मथुराधीश कृष्ण
Yes. Huh?
रघुनंदन
Yes, he was the Mathuradish Krishna. He was the king of Mathura. Krishna only accept Braj Jati, Gop Jati.
नंदनंदन कृष्ण की प्राप्ति करने के लिए
If somebody wants to get Nandandan Krishna, so he has to take the birth in a Gopi form. That's why Krishna is saying that I cannot accept anyone. Nandanandan Krishna is saying this is the speciality of Nandanandan Krishna, that without the Gopi caste he cannot accept anybody. Even the Yagik Patni, the Brahmani, the Yagik wives,
कृष्ण संदर्शन करने दर्शन करने के लिए आई
when they came to take the darshan of Krishna, they have sacrifices their all husbands and everybody.
आज अशोक वाटिका में पहुंचे
They went to Ashok Batika. We sometimes we used to go to. There is a place of Yagik Patni, Bhatrol. Oh yeah, Bhatrol. We used to go Bhatrol. So in the Brijmandal Parikrama time,
वो अशोक वाटिका था.
so there was also Ashok Vatika was there also.
ये लोग भी तो आई थी
So they Yagik Patni came there with the Krishna
और
for meeting with Krishna,
समर्पित किया.
and they surrendered themselves into the feet of Krishna. But Krishna make them understand, and they return back.
क्यों?
Why?
कृष्ण की यही प्रतिज्ञा
So this is the oath of Krishna, that I am the Gop Jati and I will accept only the Gop.
है. कृष्ण भी वो समस्त जाति पत्नियों के साथ अनेक प्रकार की खराब परिहास
So Krishna did so much laughing and joking with that Yagik wives,
बंसी वादन सुन करके
just like when Gopiya was hearing the flute of sound, so she came to meet with the Krishna.
महाभागा
So Krishna told them, "Oh Swagatam, welcomes Mahabhago. Hey, fortunate ladies, you're most welcome."
स्वागत है. तो उसी प्रकार उन लोग
In
को
the
नहीं
same way, Krishna welcomed them,
किंतु गोपियों को
but
जो है भगवान आश्रय
but Krishna gave the shelter to the gopis, and but he didn't give the shelter to the yogic wives, Brahmani.
इसलिए कृष्ण
So that's why Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna. So here when we are talking about the Krishna, so it means the Nandanandan Krishna.
আমি গোপ জাতি গোপী বিনা অন্য না করি
So Krishna is saying the same thing. I am the Gopajati. I cannot accept anybody without the Gopajati.
नंदन कृष्ण की प्राप्ति करने के लिए
If somebody wants to get the Nandanandan Krishna, so he has to take the birth into the Braj in the form of Gopi Garv. Yes,
और गोपी शरीर प्राप्त करना
and they has to take the Gopi form
गोपी शरीर गोपी देह में जन्म
in the birth or in the Gopi form in the Braj
नियम का
and Gopi body. So these all those are conditions for entering into the Ras Leela.
बहुत कुछ नियम दिखा
So there are some rules and regulation or condition for entering into the Ras Leela,
प्राप्त करना
and they has to accept also Parikya Bhav. Then they have to take the shelter of the Nitya Siddha Gopis, just like Radha and Lalita and other Sakhis. They have to shelter of them,
जिससे जो है
so that
हृदय में कृष्ण बुद्धि प्रगाढ़ प्रगाढ़ है,
they
अनुराग
can
उत्पन्न।
they can develop the deep faith towards Krishna in their
अनुराग
heart.
उत्पन्न नहीं होने पर
Until there is no deep affection or deep love in their heart, they cannot develop like this. So Gopi will stop them. Yogmaya will stop them. Yogmaya will not enter them into the Ras Leela. Well,
गोपियां तो कुछ साधन सिद्धा गोपी
some sadhan siddha gopis are who performed bhajan and sadhi and took the birth in the Braj.
सारे उनको क्वालिफिकेशन आ गया था
So they have all kinds of qualification, but
उनकी संग पूर्णता नहीं
so they didn't get the completely association of Nitya Siddha gopis. They did little bit association but not completely surrender in them.
सिद्धा संग गोपियों की संग पूर्णता के तात्पर्य है
So what is the meaning of taking shelter of Nitya Siddha gopis completely? It means they have developed love and affection in their hearts. What are the symptoms of that?
इतनी बार हजारों बार बोल चुके
प्रगाढ़ लव किसके?
हैं। अनुराग के जो दो प्रकार जो अनुराग कहा जाए अनुराग की लक्षण है।
What are the two most symptoms of Anurag?
परस्परानु स्नेह बंधन
Parasparanu Sneh Bandhan. Hey Bhagwan.
परस्परानु
Parasparanu Sneh Bandhan. This
एक दूसरे के द्वारा स्नेह के द्वारा ऐसे उल्लंघन हो जाए
so tying each other in just like affection, and the second atraptata in darshan means unsatisfaction in taking darshan. Yes, this is the symptoms of Anurag.
भगवान के दर्शन करके उनकी कभी
So after taking a darshan of Bhagwan, they never get satisfied.
दर्शन करते हैं
They want more and more, more and more, more and more. Yes.
यदि अनुराग की साधारण रूप कहा जाता है कि
Even in the general form, Anurag is saying
नवनवान रूपे प्रतिभाग
where Krishna is appeared in a youthful form. This is a general common view.
किंतु गोपियों की विशेष वैशिष्ट्य परस्परानु स्नेह अनुबंधन
But there is a speciality here, affection, the Anurag, that
चित्त
tying
बंध जाते हैं
with each other without deep love.
एक दूसरे के बिना रह नहीं सकते
They cannot live without each other.
एक से लक्षण
So this is the symptoms. Parasparanu.
अनुराग की विशेष वैशिष्ट्य दिखा
So this is Parasparanu Sneha Bandhanam. This is first, and the second one is Darshan Atraptita, means unsatisfaction. Darshan Atraptita.
क्षणकाल कृष्ण दर्शन में
So if there is a little bit obstacle in taking darshan of Krishna, so
हजारों हजारों लोगों की
it feels like that gopis that thousands of days Brahmas has gone out.
इसलिए वही महाभाव की जो दशा जो बताते हैं
So that's why we are the Mahabhav Dasha. There are 6 kinds of symptoms of Mahabhav Dasha.
खनार्धे
Snarde, Kalpatik,
कल्पत्ते खनार्ध
Kalpatik, Khanarth, Khanarth, Kalpatik.
एक क्षणकाल कृष्ण से विरह हो रही
Even they cannot be separate without Krishna for a while.
ब्रह्मा की जो आयु जो है ऐसे देखते
So when they cannot meet or not able to take the darshan of Krishna, so they feels like that the Brahma's 100,000 days has been gone out.
और ब्रह्मा की आयु की भांति हजारों साल तक गोविंद के साथ मिलन करके गोपियां ऐसे सोचते हैं क्षण काल हम कृष्ण के साथ मिले.
So taking the shelter, meeting with Krishna like a Brahma's Ayu, gopis thinks themselves that we have just meet with Krishna for a while only.
महाप्रभु ने ही कहा,
So Mahaprabhu said this.
युगायितो निवेशनम चक्षुषा पद्मशायितम. आंखों की पलक पड़ने में जितने समय लगता है उतने समय कृष्ण से विच्छेद होने पर लगते हैं. ये हजारों साल तक गोविंद से हम मिले नहीं.
Just like our eyelids come ups and downs, so in the same time it looks like to gopi that we have spent like a Brahma's thousands days. We haven't meet with them.
विरह में ऐसे भाव उत्पन्न होते
So they are so much observe themselves with the Govind separation, that how long it has been, time has been spent that we haven't meet with Krishna,
हैं. और उस समय
and at that time,
आंखों से आंसू की धारा
so
बह
the
रही
tears is coming out from their
है.
eyes.
धारा जन्म बारी बरी सर. श्रावण महीने में
In the
जैसे
Savan Mass, in the Shravan,
है,
it's like day and night,
बारिश होती है.
and the drizzling little bit. Savan, the month of rainy season is going to come.
महीने आने
So
के
at that
साथ
time, once the rainy seasons come, so there is a drizzling sometimes,
दिन रात जो है
day and night,
लगातार
continuously
बारिश होती है.
raining, never
उसी
stop.
प्रकार
In the same way,
कृष्ण विरह में
in the separation of Krishna, gopis, the tears of eyes from the eyes of gopis are falling on the ground continuously.
गायित निवेशनम ज्ञानम गलसुधार है बदले बदल गिरा पुरत इंतम विपदा तव नाम. ये श्लोक में जुगायित निवेशनम चक्षुषा पद्मशायितम सुन्नायितम जगत सर्वम गोविंदम विरहेम. समस्त सब जगत के जैसे सुना लगता है.
So all the words feels like isolate,
जैसे रघुनाथ दास
just like Raghunath Das Goswami
विरह में
in the separation mode
ध्यान के पश्चात
after the disappearance of Mahaprabhu. They came to Braj,
ये तो ब्रज को कैसे लगता है.
but how was he feeling Braj?
सुनना के महा
It's just like a very isolate place.
एक दोस्त का दिल एक दोस्त में ब्रज जो है
The Braj
है,
was looking to him
सुना लगा.
like a very isolate place,
अथवा शमशान के भांति
and or you can say it was looking like a funeral place, just like somebody used to go for a funeral ceremony. So the sound is coming like that into the Braj to him, Raghunath Das Goswami.
रात्रि में
In the dark night,
शमशान में कोई जाए
when somebody goes to the funeral place,
कोई मुर्दा जला कर
and at that time somebody fired to a dead body, so what you see there?
सुनना दिखाई पड़ रहा है.
Just like nothing is there.
आग जो है मनो दिख कर.
So when the fire burns, when somebody dead body burns, so there was a fire is coming, that and sound is coming, duck 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 duck. In this way,
जो गिरिराज
same feeling is coming to Raghunath Das Goswami to seeing that Braj after the disappearance of Mahaprabhu.
निज बलि भुज दंड चक्रम भागम पदम पदियो मत दंड गुलिन देवेंद्र गर्भम अतुल पुत्र श्री गोप प्रियम में निज निकट निवास देवी गोवर्धन. राज गोवर्धन
In the Giraj Govardhan Ashtakam,
और उसी गिरिराज गोवर्धन के ऐसे लाग रहे क्या.
so they have do the so much stava and study to Giraj Govardhan, but this time Giraj Govardhan is looking him like a python, Ajgar, python snake,
जो हमें निगलने के लिए आए.
who is coming to swallow him.
गिरिंद्र अजगराय सुंदायते व्याख्यान सुंदर. जो राधा कुंड के इतने स्तुति आदि की
Who did so much stava study of Radha Kund?
कृष्ण
Mahaprabhu.
कुंडेर महिमा जो न राधा महिमा राधा जी की और कुंड में राधा कुंड में कोई भेद
So there is no difference between Radharani and Radha Kund.
प्रेम में प्रज्वलित होकर
So when Radharani melted in the form of love, she has manifested the Radha Kund.
जिस राधा कुंड की एक क्षणकाल के रघुनाथ कोई छोड़ते नहीं.
So Radha Kund, Raghunath Das Goswami never leave Radha Kund for a while.
राधा कुंड ही सदा राधा कुंड
He will never go anywhere to leave Radha Kund.
क्या कर रहे हैं
So
कि
he is
मानो
saying that same Radha Kund is like
शेर के जो है
is just like a
मुख वेदान का है
is just like a mouth of lion.
शेर मुंह फाड़ के
When
मानो निकल
when sometime lions comes and roar and for eating someone, in the same way Radha Kund is feeling him like the same way, looking him like a same way.
विरह की ऐसी स्थिति
So this is the mode of separation.
है इसी कहते हैं महाभाव की संस्कृतियां है तो अनुराग दशा में जो हम बताते
So at the time of Anurag, I told you about the topmost stage of Anurag, Paraspara Snenanubandhan and Darshan Atripta. Darshanam Atriptata.
देख करके भी अतृप्त नहीं होता है
So taking a darshan of the Lord, they are not satisfied. They want more and more.
गोविंद दर्शन में इतने मधुरता जो
So there is so much sweetness in the darshan of Govind. Who can describe this?
वही तो कहते हैं कि राधा जी क्या करते
So what Radha ji is saying?
हैं राधा जी कहते हैं
Radha
गोविंद
is
दर्शन तो
saying,
मेरा हुआ ही नहीं इस
I never took the darshan of Govind in this birth.
जन्म निकाले बस अपने माइंड से जान बदन
It's just like a dream to me.
आइलो दी बरी है आनंद और मदन हरि लीला मुरमन कीदिकी गुण चैतन्य चैतन्य
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, Radha ji is saying,
कि किसी समय
sometime
कृष्ण जी मेरा सपना भी आ जाए
if he came into my dream,
तो साक्षात में दर्शन के सौभाग्य तो हुआ ही
so it is more valuable for me. But I haven't never take the darshan from the
नहीं। सपना में भी
live of
कृष्ण
his
जी
darshan,
आया
never taking the darshan of his life. So even if he comes to my dream, so I will be so fortunate.
कृष्ण यदि क्षणकाल के लिए प्रकट हो जाए
If Krishna for a while appeared before me,
कृष्ण दर्शन के हृदय में इतने प्रबल जो आनंद होता है
because taking darshan of Krishna, what kinds of pleasure she gets.
प्रेम की इच्छा हो जाता है तो जे काले वा सपने देखिन उसे चयन करो সেই काले आइलो दी बरी उस समय दो शत्रु आकर के
At the time there are two enemies comes and they make the obstacle in taking darshan of Krishna. Who's that?
आनंद और मदन
Anand and Madan. Anand and
आनंद
Madan.
उस समय हृदय में गोविंद दर्शन में इतने
So,
प्रबल
so
आनंद
after the
होता है
taking darshan of Govind, so there is too much pleasure comes in the heart, and taking darshan of Govind, that time tears comes out from the eyes.
ये आंखों से आंसू गिरने से क्या बाधक हो गया ना
So when tears fall down from the eyes, so it is obstacles comes like that, that they are not seeing the Krishna properly.
সেই কালে আইলো দুই বৈরি আনন্দ আর মদন मदन माने
Madan means,
हृदय में अपराधी का काम बस
so in the heart there is a aprakriti, the transcendental lust comes.
उमड़ एक कर देते हैं क्या बोले
Vichlit.
है
Vichlit.
विचलित कर
So disturb the bodies, disturb the mind when the transcendental calm
ये
come
गोविंद
into
का
the
दर्शन के कहां
heart
पर
of
कैसे
heart of Radha. That how I can take the darshan of Krishna.
है, कुछ समझ नहीं
So she is not able to understand anything that time. What to do?
इसलिए गोविंद का दर्शन नहीं होता
So that's why she is not able to take the darshan of Govind as she is saying like this. So Radha is saying like this.
ये समझते क्या है?
So what is this all?
महाभाव की
This is the stage of Mahabhav. This is the topmost stage of Mahabhav.
ये कहने की हमारी तात्पर्य है
So what's my mean to say?
ये कृष्ण के साथ मिलन
So meeting with Krishna,
अति दुर्लभ है
it's very rare. Very, very rare. First has to take the birth in the Braj and Gopi Bomb, then association with the Nitya Siddha, Nitya Siddha Gopis association, and take the and get married with the Gop, and after that having affair with Krishna, Parkya Bhav. So it's very, very rare. Or then you will develop the deep love towards Krishna, then possible, which is very, very rare. Hey Bhagwan.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी वर्णन है
That's why it is also described here.
इसलिए वो नाम पत्नियां काली
That's why the Nag Patnis are saying, the wife of Kaliya,
हे कृष्ण
Hey Krishna,
कौन सा ऐसे से
what kind of fortunate our husband have that you have given his your dust feet dust of your feet on his hood. What he has done? That's why here it is writing,
लक्ष्मी के लिए ऐसा संभव नहीं
it
था,
is not possible for the Lakshmi. That's why she didn't get the. She was not able to enter into the Ras Leela.
अनन्यता का अभाव,
Because
अनन्यता जब तक नहीं,
until you don't have the 1.8 Ananyata, keep yourself 1.8 towards Krishna, Ekantikta.
अप्राप्ति कारणस्य गोपीवत् तद अनन्यता अभाव देवेति च। कालिया द्वारा श्री कृष्ण चरण की प्राप्ति के दो कारण हो सकता है, एक तो परम भक्ति पत्नियों का संग तथा दूसरा वृंदावन की अंतर्वर्ती स्थान यमुना की बात। यहाँ पर फिर वर्णन करते हैं
Here also describing
कैसे किया,
how Krishna got the feet of Krishna's on his heart. Okay, Lakshmi got or not, somebody got or not, so I have told you. But what Kalia did that he, how Kalia got the footprints of Krishna on his hood? So what is the principle is that there are two reasons.
एक तो परम भक्तिमती उनकी पत्नियों के किसी न किसी प्रकार से जो है संग होगा,
Because they got the association of Kalia got the association of their wives who are devotees of Bhagwan. Even Kalia was a cruel behavior. He was so much cruel, but still.
कभी कभी कृष्ण के ये महिमा,
But sometimes the wives of the Kalia, she used to explain the glory of Krishna. That is called the sadhu, the association of sadhu.
परम भक्तिमती पत्नियों की संग,
Because she has a devotee wife and he got the association of that ladies
वृंदावन में बात,
residing in the Vrindavan. It's not an easy task.
ज्ञान में अज्ञान में
Knowingly or unknowingly, if somebody is staying in Vrindavan,
फल तो प्राप्त
this, so he will get the fruit.
नहीं है।
It will not go to waste.
वृंदावन की पास की गुण दिखाते जा,
So this is the
धाम की महिमा,
glory of Dham.
जिस प्रकार
Just like knowingly or unknowingly somebody put his hand to the fire, so his hand will burn. In the same way, knowingly or unknowingly, somebody is staying in the Vrindavan, so he will get the fruit too. Because Kalia got the
वो भी कहाँ
vast residence in Vrindavan, where it is in, he was staying in Yamuna,
यमुना के जल के सागरण में
and this Yamuna's water is not ordinary water.
साक्षात विशाखा देवी
She is Vishakha Devi herself.
द्रवीभूत होकर की
When Vishakha Devi melted, so she became Yamuna.
शाखा स्तुति जमुना स्तुति एक,
Vishakha Stuti and Yamuna Stutis are same.
जमुना स्तुति करे,
If somebody every day do the Yamuna Stuti,
पत्ते हारिणी प्रत्या अधिपति लोगी ताप पाप से लिखता, नीर माधु लोगी असिचित बंदनी
Vandani.
अरविंद बंद नंदिनी, जमुना की यदि कोई स्तुति आदि करे,
If somebody do the Stuti of Yamuna, so he is at the same time doing the Stuti of Vishakha. And Vishakha Devi herself internal friend of Radharani.
भेद नहीं,
किसमें? Vishakha Rani Yamuna में.
विशाखा और राधा रानी,
So there is no too much difference between Vishakha and Radharani.
विशाखा देवी के अनुराधा भी कहा गया,
So that's why Radha sometimes tell to Vishakha Anuradha. That's why Vishakha is also explained in the name of Anuradha.
राधा जी के जन्म
Because Radha's birth and the Vishakha's birth in a same place.
इसलिए राधा जी के साथ विशाखा देवी के साथ अंतरंग घनिष्ठ
So they have internal deep feelings towards each other. उसमें मेरी साउंड का फैन का आ रहा है, फैन का
कार्य में
फैन
ये कालिया के द्वारा श्री कृष्ण चरण की
चला जाओ, यहाँ से चला जाओ।
कारण हो सकता है, एक तो परम भक्तिमती पत्नियों के संग,
अब नहीं आ रहा उधर, अब नहीं आ रहा।
वृंदावन में अंतर्वर्ती स्थान यमुना में वास,
Kalia was staying into the Yamuna first.
वृंदावन की कोई धूलि के वर्ष हो
So sometimes if anyhow somebody touches the dust of Vrindavan, so it's not ordinary things, it is transcendental.
और दूसरी कह
And the
रहे
second is,
तीसरी क्या कह रहे
and the
या करना
third is
चाहिए कि कैसे भगवान की चरण धूलि कैसे प्राप्त होगी
how Kalia got the dust of lotus feet of Bhagwan.
है ये कालिया
Had the,
भगवान जो उनको क्या दिया अपने मस्तक पर
why Bhagwan given his dust on his hood? Even he has given the footprints too.
कहा जाओ
When
वृंदावन छोड़ के
when Krishna said to go to Vrindavan, you go to Ramanik Parvat.
कहाँ जाए
Ramanik Parvat.
अपने रमणीक द्वीप में
So,
चले जाओ
so you go to Ramanik Deep.
तो कालिया
So
कहने लगा,
Kalia
"गुरु देखो,
said,
मुझे पिटाई करेगा
when Garud will see me, he will beat me there.
कहा जाओ, अपने चरण चिन्ह तुमको
So he said, no, I am giving you the footprints of
तेरे चरण
mine.
चिन्ह देखते ही गुरु तुम्हें
So seeing my footprints on your hood, so Garud will not touch you. He will not harm you. He will not harm you. So he sat like
इस
this.
प्रकार
Just like
लात पर
on the forehead, somebody's forehead, there is a tilak.
यमदूत भी उसके
So Yamdut cannot touch him, that person.
जैसी महिमा बताई
This is the glory of the tilak.
कोई भी पापी तापी भी
Maybe Papi and other peoples, if he has putting the tilak on his forehead, so at the time of that Yamdut cannot touch them, and they will do the Dandvat Pranam and go away from there. It is mentioned in the scripture. This is in glory of the tilak.
आदि जो सात शरीर में रहे
So if something in your body like Vishnu tilak and Vishnu name on your body, so Yamdut cannot touch you. This is the glory of the name or tilak.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Bhagwan is saying himself, I have made the footprints of mine on your hood, so the Garun will not touch you. Garun will not harm you. Seeing that.
तो कालिया की किसी प्रकार विषय कार्य
So that's
कालिया
why
के प्रयोजन की संस्कार या दोनों लाभ प्राप्त होते हैं
previous birth impression of Krishna or Kaliya.
राजा के पखन बताया और
So I told you the Upakya, the
महात्मा की कथा बताया था जो कहीं सुनाए
I told you yesterday the story about Kaliya, that how he got this birth.
अपराधी जन के निकट धाम आदि चिन्मय वस्तु चिन्हों अति शीघ्र क्रिया प्रकाश नहीं करते ये भी बता रहे थे जो अपराधी अपराध करते हैं
So the offender who are doing some aparadh into the dham,
परिपता जो है जल्दी प्रकाश नहीं करते
dham never
तथापि किसी प्रकार के धाम में वास होगा
never express themselves the glory of that person before that person.
का धाम प्रभु कृपा करके अपने क्रिया आदि प्रकाश करते
एक बार दोबारा सुनाइए.
इसलिए कृष्ण जब कालिया के फणों पर नित्यशील पदों के प्रहार द्वारा विदीर्ण कर रहे थे उस समय वो अपने मुख से रक्त उगलने लगा और उसे अपने पत्नी के वाणी पर विश्वास हुआ कि कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान है पहले तो विश्वास नहीं करते थे पत्नी जब
First, their wife was not believing that Krishna is Bhagwan. When Krishna started dancing on his hood,
है और मुंह से खून निकाल
and when the blood was coming out from the mouth of Kaliya, so then they realized that Krishna, my wives were saying that Krishna is Bhagwan, but I never believe on that. But if sometime if you are staying in the Vrindavan Dham, the offender, if he is staying into the Dham and he got the association of sadhu, so that will not go waste, because
एक दिन फल प्रकाशित
one day they will get the fruit of that.
इसलिए श्री कृष्ण जब कलियुग के फलों को नित्यशील पदों के प्रहार द्वारा विदीर्ण कर रहे थे उस समय वो अपने मुख से रक्त उगलने लगा उसे अपनी पत्नी की बातों पर विश्वास हुआ कि श्री कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान है आत्मविश्वास
Now they realized, oh, Krishna is
और वो
Bhagwan.
शरणागत हुआ है इसलिए कलियुग के कहा जाता है that's why Kali is called शरणागत
Sharanagat.
वास्तव भाव तो है
He has dasana, but he is totally surrendered into the feet of Krishna. This is all described there very nicely. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pahad, he has described there. Sachala Pyaj Vyaj Rakchala. So the Krishna was waiting how when somebody is totally surrender himself into the feet of Bhagwan, so Bhagwan is waiting that how when what time I can help that person or have mercy on that person. But what Mahaprabhu did, he didn't wait for anyone. Somebody is taking shelter or not, somebody is fully completely surrendered or not. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and other, we have seen the example. Prakashanand, Saraswati. So they were doing the ninda of Mahaprabhu, but what Mahaprabhu did, he did mercy upon them too. So how much time? Very ek do din. So for liberating of Jagai Madai, how much Mahaprabhu took the time? In a just 1 to 2 days. Why? Because Jagai and Madai never committed offense into the Vaishnava feet. Because Jagai Madai was not the offender of Vaishnava. They were very sinful, but they were not. They used to always take themselves in intoxicated themselves with the taking liquoring and alcohol, but they used to take. Huh? Yes, they were abusing the time to each other, but they never committed offense to the Vaishnava feet. लेकिन उन्होंने गुरुदेव नित्यानंद प्रभु के ऊपर तो सबसे बड़ा प्रहार वो किया था. अब यही अपराध उनका मुक्ति का कारण बन गया. The second thing is Jagai Madai is the Parikar. They are the Dwalpur of Jai Vijay. They are the Jai Vijay of the Vaikuntha. So how much time Bhagwan will take for mercy to giving the mercy of their eternal associate? And Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya 1 month. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya took 1 month to get the mercy of Bhagwan. Why? Why he did it take a little bit time, 1 month time? Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he was so full of so much intoxicated himself that I am Brahman, I am so much intelligent. Sometimes he was criticizing some Vaishnav, but most of the time, being a Pandit, he was so much full of ego that I am so much a scholar, I am so much intelligent. They always used to neglect everybody. They all are foolish people. Whatever they are doing, it's not right. So he was thinking like that. They all are not so intelligent. So he was so much full of his ahankar, ego. That's why Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was the incarnation of Brahaspati. He was the incarnation of Brahaspati. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is used to say like this. And the third one, Prakashanand Saraswati, he was liberated and got the mercy of Mahaprabhu. 3 saal. How much time it took? 3-4 saal. Mahaprabhu for giving the mercy to Prakashanand Saraswati, Mahaprabhu took 3 years time around, because he was Mayavadi, Aparadi. He had the knowledge of his scripture, but when Mahaprabhu was performing the Grasth Leela in the Navdeep Dham, so Mahaprabhu told Prakashanand, Khand Khand, So he was not able to understand the essence of Veda. He was studying the Vedas, but he was not able to understand the essence of Veda. What is the essence of Veda?
फिर वेद के तात्पर्य नहीं जान करके
But somebody are studying Veda, but they don't know the essence of Veda. So what to use of that reading of
और मेरे
Vedas?
इतने सुंदर रूप को
So he was saying that I have a beautiful form, and he was saying that I am Nirakar
मायावादी
Nirvam.
के अपराध क्या है?
So what is the biggest fall of Mayavadi? Because they don't accept the Vigraha, Sachidanand Vigraha of Bhagwan.
राम कैसे निकट
So Bhagwan has a beautiful eternal form, Sachidanand Vigraha, but they are not accepting it. That is why they are so much offender.
है?
They have to be punished.
ईश्वर परमकृष्ण सच्चिदानंद
Ishvara Paramakrishna Karanam.
भगवान कैसे सुंदर रूप
So Bhagwan is a beautiful form, beautiful Vigraha, and they are thinking it is Mike. Oh my God, they are rascals.
ये मुझे विशेष है।
So this is the biggest offender of that person. Aparad.
कैसे सुंदर रूप जिस रूप को देख
So Bhagwan has a beautiful form, and who is everybody is attracted to see that form of Bhagwan.
रूप माधुर्य के वर्णन क्या है?
So Bhagwan Roop in the scriptures, Bhagwan Roop and Madhurya described very nicely.
और ऐसे रूप को क्या
And
कहते
seeing
हैं?
that form, they are saying, "Oh, this is Mike."
इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु सन्यास लेने के उपरांत जगन्नाथपुरी से फिर चैतन्य महाप्रभु दक्षिण देश फिर महाप्रभु हो गए फिर जगन्नाथपुरी फिर महाप्रभु
So Mahaprabhu,
जब वृंदावन की
when he took the darshan of Vrindavan, and after taking darshan, when he came to Kashi, Varanasi, so there Sanatana Goswami Pad, he did the mercy on Sanatana Goswami Pad and others.
फिर उसी समय
And then at the same time,
राघवानंद सरस्वती
he gave the mercy to Prakashanand Saraswati.
उन्होंने कृपा करनी
He did the mercy to Prakashanand Saraswati. He think that I will mercy upon Krishna.
वाराणसी माने काशी में बनारस में रहने की यही विशेष
So this is the main purpose to stay in Kashi or Banaras. Mahaprabhu, this was the
कारण नहीं
object.
है।
There was the only object to stay in Kashi.
कृपा करना है। क्योंकि महाप्रभु जिस कारण से भी आए सबको
Only
कृपा
reason.
करना है। इसलिए महाप्रभु
No, to Prakashanand, to mercy on Prakashanand. This was the only reason.
नहीं करेंगे, सबको महाप्रभु प्रेम करते हैं।
So Mahaprabhu was wanted to distribute the love everybody, but
कृपा करने के
so that's why he has taken oath that I will do the mercy on Prakashanand Saraswati, and then that's why he was staying there.
और फिर महाप्रभु
And then Mahaprabhu,
उनके युक्ति तर्क आदि के गए
so he has destroyed and his all arguments.
इसलिए कहते हैं यहाँ पर की बात है
So that's why here it is saying.
तब शरणागत होता है।
Then Prakashanand Saraswati took the shelter of Bhagwan. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in his Tika he is describing
के बीच काले के हृदय में था किंतु अपराध और क्रोध के कारण उसके ऊपर उन्हें कठोर हृदय में अंकुरित नहीं हुआ। पूर्वजन्म के संस्कार होने के नाते बीत रहा है।
so by the previous impression he has a kinds of seed in his heart. Prakashanand.
अपराध होने के नाते वो प्रकाशी नहीं होता है। जो कालिया की जब पूर्वजन्म की बात हुई
So I told you about the previous history of Kalia.
संस्कार तो है ही।
So he had an impression in his heart, but just because of offense, it was not glorifying, or it was not establishing.
हो गया था तथा बीज अंकुरित हो गया।
So after taking darshan of Krishna, that seed, the impression they have in their heart, that established.
किंतु क्या बोले कृष्ण ने क्या की
When Krishna gave the darshan,
अपने चरण कमल
when Krishna put their feet on his hood,
कमलित करा दिया।
then he realized his own transcendental form.
कृष्ण भक्ति जो बीज
So he had a seed in his heart of Krishna Bhakti, but when he took the feet of Bhagwan on his head, so that feet is what we say,
कभी नष्ट नहीं हुआ।
seed got the fruit.
जो नष्ट हो गया क्योंकि वास्तव रूप में देखा
It was a sprout, yes.
अपराधी तो वस्तु की नष्ट नहीं हुई।
The transcendental thing never go waste.
है। इस जड़ जगत के बीज
in
जो आदि
this
जो है,
in this mic what we have seen
जैसे
the
धान गेहूं
just like we have seen the seeds of in this material world, the grain seed and the rice seeds, if you put onto
के बाद वो
into the stone, so that will be destroyed. But the bhakti lata beach, the bhakti seeds never go waste. The desires of Krishna's service,
समय के लिए वो क्या होता है,
so maybe for some time for being aparadhi
जैसे पड़ा रहा,
it will be what we say, hide that seed will hide himself, but after some time by the mercy of guru and sadhu,
आ जाए,
then this seed will be
इसमें वो निकली रहे।
sprout.
जैसे आप देखेंगे छाती
Just like you have seen,
है,
if you have seen that there is a marble on the ground, but if you put some dust or some mud on there on the surface, so after some time there's some flowers and some tree will come.
तो पत्थर पर नहीं हुआ है,
So it is not happening on the stone, but they are getting the association of mud or soil, so that's why the trees and the plants are coming there. So in the same way, when Krishna was dancing on the feet of and put their feet on the head of Kalia, so at the same time Bhagwan have forgiven us all kinds of offense. This is the causeless mercy of Bhagwan.
भगवान की ऐसी कृपा है।
So this is the causeless mercy of Bhagwan.
अपराधी को भी भगवान क्षमा करते हैं।
Bhagwan give the mercy to the aparadhi, just like Nityanand Prabhu, he did the mercy to Jagai Madhai.
तो अपराधी जनक की भी भगवान
So Bhagwan also give the mercy to the aparadhi like me.
इसलिए इस संत परमेश्वर
So that's why it's all described there very nicely.
इससे भी अधिक कहती है ब्रजनियों की जो भक्ति सर्वोत्तम श्रीमद् भागवत में वर्णन है।
So the topmost bhakti of Braja Devis is described in the Shrimad Bhagavatam.
दासोत्सव्यस्य भजदण्ड गृहीतो कंठो तथा संजत राज प्रदर्शन है, इसको याद करना है।
So everybody has to learn this shloka. कौन सा गुरुदेव?
क्या है?
Do you know? Baba Prabhu is saying I have heard the name of this shloka only. I don't know. I am not remembering. I have heard the name of this shloka. Name तो मैं भी जानता. I know name myself too, but I don't remember.
न्यायं सिन्धुनितां प्रति प्रसादत सर्वसिताङ्गनिना गन्धारुतं कुतो वह्ना दासोत्सव्यस्य भुजदण्ड गृहीतकण्ठ आसृजद्दाद ब्रज सुन्दरीना तभी ब्रजबलि में बताया।
So कौन सा नंबर है गुरुदेव इसका?
इस श्रीमद् भागवतम
In the Shrimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto,
47 अध्याय
47th chapter,
60
60 number shlok. गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. 10 47 10 47 60. What? Everybody has to learn this. Oh Madhvi Didi. Hello God Premanande Hari Hari. ठाकुर जी प्रसाद.